What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but you're only using one account just to kind of get you through the door, show you that this works, all that good stuff. You know what I mean? Kind of get you started in. You don't have to dedicate too much time or effort to it. This is the simplest way to make money online I have ever found, and I believe whatever will be. All right, guys, it's only a couple of minutes a day. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting this product, the $25 business, and it's because of this affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That means you get paid 80% every month. All right, guys, and that can be up to $120 every month. That's crazy. You get 10 people to do that, you get $12,000. So it's a very, very lucrative way to make money online, and the book can be how much you can make by promoting it. So it's very easy to sell. So anyway, guys, let's look at our results here before we get started. We're going to refresh the page and see what's going on. Alright, guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. It's not a big deal. It happens sometimes, guys. It's just the way the world works. But this is what we're gonna do. Alright, guys. First off, we need to get you your affiliate link. So the first thing you want to do, you want to get on one of my videos here, and once you get on here, you want to click on show more in the description. You're gonna see step 1 and step 2. I'm gonna focus on step 1 for right now. So all you need to do is click on this link here. Right here, it's going to take you to this page here, which is just essentially going to explain how much money you can make with the $25 business. Okay, guys? Pretty much all it's going to do is talk about it and all that good stuff, what it is, all that good stuff, right? So anyway, once you decide you want to try it out, you just click on yes, I want in, and you just put in your information here, all your information, blah, blah, blah. I click on that and then, complete the order. $25. All right, guys, so I recommend you get the HBA Premium. It teaches you traffic, how to set up ads, all that good stuff, which is $125 per month, but you can get it for free for 14 days if you click on my link. All right, guys. Now the main reason that you want this though, however, is that you have to own the product to make money off the product. All right, guys. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is that say you come through here, you do not get this. You just get the $25 business here. So somebody else that you get into the program, right? They decide they do want this. They want the $25 business. Now you will get the $20 off of the $25 business, but once they pay the $125, you will not get that $100. All right, guys? You will not get that $100 if you yourself don't have this product. All right? That's how that works. All right, guys, so make sure to do that, and what we're gonna do is head over to once you get finished with that, you're gonna head over to a page that looks something like this. Now you might have to log in or make your account or whatever, but it's a quick process. Once you make your account, you're gonna get to a page that looks something like this. Now what you want to be on is the affiliate zone here, which we are already on. So you just click on that and you scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to see sign up for the affiliate program here. And once you click on this, guys, it's going to take you to this page here. And as you can see, it's a very simple process. First name, last name, email, password. All right, guys, simple. So once you do that, you log into the SAM card, which is going to take you to this page here. And once you're on this page here, you got your links. All right, you got your affiliate links here. This is the one that I use, all in one $25 business, guys. It's the one that I use personally. All right, so once you got that figured out, right, guys, you're gonna go back to the page, my video here, my description here, and now you finish with step 1. You got your affiliate link. All right, so next step is step 2, which is sign up for My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, and you can just click on the link here to take you to it. And once you click on that, it's gonna take you to this page here. Now once you're on this page here, all they're gonna do, you can play the video. It's about 7 minutes long, but it just tells you what My Lead Gen Secrets is. But TLDR, you can mail 100. You get 100 leads that you can mail every single day. And what I mean by that, you start. Let's say you start today, you'll get 100 leads that you can mail. Tomorrow, you'll have 200 leads that you can mail, and so on and so forth. You see what I mean? And the one thing about these leads though, they're interested in making money online. All right, guys, they're interested in making money online, which is very good for our product. Our product is all about making money online. So you want to just log in here, and it's simply a numbers game. At a certain point, you'll eventually just start making a lot of sales, especially if you have multiple accounts. All right, guys, so we're gonna select all here. Once you log in, you're gonna click on mailing system. Sorry, I realized I was going through that a little too fast there. I was kind of automatically doing the stuff I automatically do. But yeah, you want to click on mailing system. You should have 100 leads here once you sign in. You just select all, send them over here so you can mail them. And we're gonna give you an email here. All right. So we're just gonna go with making money first week. We're just gonna use that email there. Making money my first week. All right. That's the email we're going for. And just copy that, guys. Just pause my video and copy this stuff. I'm giving you this email for free. I give you emails for free, guys. You just copy what I pick. All right, so blah blah blah. You just copy that email there. Just make sure I show the whole email so you get a chance to copy the whole thing. And that's it. That's the whole email right there. All right, so we're gonna click on perfect timing here. And what perfect timing does is send the email around the time people check emails. So it's a very good product. I mean, it's a very good way to get people to check it out, right? So you want to preview your link. You want to preview your email and make sure your link works. Link does work. Just checked it. All right, guys. So that's all there is to it. You send the email and you're done. You're done. That's all it takes, guys. Very simple. And now what you understand is that I'm making this video. It took me 7 minutes to do it. But for you, all you really need to do is log into this and do what I just did there. Especially when you get all your emails loaded in like I do. It'll take you about 30 seconds a day to do, and you can make $400 to $500 a month. That's what I've been making so far. I'm gonna give y'all the truth. I've been making $400 to $500 a month on one account doing this. Now, you get multiple accounts, you can estimate that and probably get it going a whole lot higher. But that's all I'm making on one account. All right, guys, that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Only 20% of you are subscribed. Please subscribe. Help us move these videos out there. And I'll talk to you next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.